Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Gaurav channel and preparing strategy video for iRecruitment 2022. So for ATC post, as you already know, vacancy is out. Okay, so we are starting our strategy video now, and first subject we will take, that is your physics. Okay, which is most important subject in which we need to score to get selection. Okay, it's simple. Mission top 100 in Airport Authority of India Recruitment 2022. Okay, so just remember this mission and we will try to be in top 100 candidates. Okay, now to beat approximately 4 to 5 lakhs, I am estimating the number of forms as 4 to 5 lakhs. Okay, from 4 to 5 lakhs you need to come in top 100. So for that, definitely lots of hard work, lots of strategy, lots of things are required. Okay, and proper time you should give to each subject, whether it's technical, non technical. Soon I will share you daily timetable also. No need to worry for that. Okay, but whatever I'm saying in the strategy video, just follow that. Okay, that is your duty. So first we will start with your syllabus. What will be the exam syllabus for your physics subject? So let's start our video. Okay, so mainly I divided the whole syllabus in two things. That is your basics. First, what is the basic? What is the foundation that you need to start preparing? Okay, so that you can apply in your application part. Okay, so under basic, what you need to study: atomic theory and units and measurement, motion and laws, work energy forces, friction, waves and sound, diffraction and light, electricity, heat and temperature, or I can say directly thermodynamics also, modern physics relatively. Okay, what are the applications part we need to study? First is electromagnetic fields, then magnetism of matter, photons and matter waves, magnetic fields and optics. Okay, also some miscellaneous part will be also there in your exam paper. So this is the total syllabus for your IATC recruitment. Okay, total question you will get 30 from physics. Okay, now we will discuss that what level you can expect for the year 2022 and what is the expected attempt range. Okay, that you should attempt. Okay, so first we will discuss about something about level. So last time also I told that level will be from moderate to difficult, and this year also I will stick with this. Okay, you can expect your paper level from moderate to difficult. Definitely it will not easy. Okay, so just you need to prepare like this only. Okay, whatever the expected attempt range, that is the, what is the meaning of this? To this level we need to prepare ourselves. Okay, that is support. Now for attempt expected range, it is not like it should be fixed. Okay, it will vary according to paper level, but if your paper is moderate to difficult, then at least 20 to 22 questions you should attempt out of 30. Okay, and that I am also considering with 90% accuracy. Means of out, if you are attempting 20, then 18 questions you should correct. Okay, like that. So this is the attempt range. Okay, so our first target is to achieve this by, so that we need to prepare very hard, because if paper is moderate, then definitely it is not easy task. First thing, right? So 20, 22, and if paper is easy, then definitely we can stretch it to 27 max. Okay, out of 30. So I hope for the year 2022 you got the paper level and expected attempt range. Okay, now from which resources you will study? Okay, just let's discuss that quickly. So first reference is your class 11th book. Okay, NCERT, physics part 1 and physics part 2, both books are required. Then class 12th book is required, physics part 1 and physics part 2. So total 4 books are required. Okay, along with that you will practice the questions which are there in your NCERT books. Okay, along with that some JEE previous year questions also you need to practice. These are important. Okay, not all, I am telling some questions, right? So this is the overall resources you will use for your IATC physics subject. Okay, now the most important, that is again your success pack is coming for Airport Authority of India ATC recruitment 2022. Okay, so no need to worry, because all the things will be there and at a single platform. Okay, all the things are there. You don't need to refer any books, nothing. Just whatever I'm giving you in the success pack, you know, if you are old Apna Government Job student. Okay, so you know already that for selection whatever it is necessary, I will add that in success pack. Okay, now for physics, basically what you will have in your success pack, videos will be there. Okay, as an add-on, so that you will not face any difficulty. You no need to roam here and there. Okay, so videos, lectures are there for your reference. Second most important, that is study notes. Okay, from this only you will cover your syllabus. This is divided into two parts. First is theoretical and second is numerical. Okay, so theory plus numerical combinations there. Definitely you need to study like this only. Okay, then you know in success pack your separate batch will get created. In that batch I will share physics, mathematics, special questions along with non-technical. Okay, don't need to worry, separate video will be there of success pack. Currently work is going on, so just wait for just few hours, okay, I can say. And last, your mock test question, what your mock test I will give you, that questions will be most important for your physics subject, okay. So for physics, what you will use, only this thing, nothing else, nothing, any single extra thing is required to attain 22 or max we will try from our side, okay. Out of 30, no need to take anything, okay, this is enough. So success pack will be there for you soon. Now the most important discussion we will start, that you are purchasing success pack, okay. So it is not guaranteed that you will get selection. Definitely you need to follow the strategy video, you need to study very hard, okay. You need to dedicate your 4 months, because see, I want your selection, I don't want your money. That is simple thing, right? My target is mission 1000 selection for the year 2022, and in iRecruitment 200 plus selection I am targeting out of 400, okay. So, and your goal to get the seat in one of the seat in top 100, this is your goal, right? So how we can achieve that, that we will think now, right? The most important thing, the previous student I observed that they didn't know how to study for the exam, okay, because many students feel difficulty in the last paper. Why? Because they didn't study at all. See, whatever things was there in the videos, in notes, in strategy, everything was same in your paper, but still many students can't solve a single question of physics in a paper. Why this thing happened? Okay, the reason is simple, that they didn't prepare well, okay. Now what is the definition of this well? Let's just find it, okay. So this is the one of the notes of the chapter laws of motion, okay. This is the very important chapter of physics. Approximately 2 to 3 questions you can expect from this chapter, okay. Now total 822 pages are there in this PDF. So let me show you quickly that how you can prepare for this, okay. So whatever theory part is there, okay, you will read from here. You can see with animation, with the help of animation and everything is there in this notes, okay. So from here your concept will get clear. Now the most important thing, whatever MCQs or question practice we given you, okay. For example, we will take this question. The motion of a particle of m, mass m, is described by y is equals to ut plus 1 by t gt square. Find the force acting on the particle, okay. So answer is mg, and how that answer come, already the explanation is given, right? Now see, in Airport Authority of India, okay, it is not like they will ask you the simple question. First thing, in numerical, whenever you are solving numerical, you should know each and every parameter of that formula, okay. It is not like just they will ask you always find force. They can ask you gt, g also, u also, time also, everything they can ask you, okay. So each of the parameter you should know, and you should know that how you can use this formula by variety of ways, okay. So this thing you should know, and most of the students are not comfortable while studying, because see, and don't try to remember the question, okay. It is not like the same question you will get. Definitely same concept, okay, same concept you will get in your paper, which already we got in the last paper, okay. All the paper is from our notes only. Whatever notes I will give you in the success pack, okay, from that only they ask the paper, but it is indirect, okay. That is, if suppose you know how to find force, then some means little different way they ask the question. So you should prepare like that. For that, each and every concept you should know, okay. Then only you can apply in numerical part to solve the examples, okay. That is, for example, suppose they ask this question, so you should know that whenever the system pulled upward with acceleration a, then this thing will happen, okay. Whenever downward, then g minus a will happen. So this thing you know, so don't by heart, okay. Understand the concept, understand the things, and then apply into the formula, right? Definitely. Second point is your calculation speed. So we will also try to increase your calculation speed by telling you the tricks, okay, that you can apply in aptitude also, and definitely in physics also, and in mathematics also, right? So all the three section you can cover with our speedy calculation, okay. So you can see the beauty of notes, okay. All the things are here, just you have to refer properly, and then job is done, okay. Now see, derivation part, okay. Last time directly they asked the formula, okay, means only formula is required. So you need to refer derivations also, so that you can just remember, try to remember the formula, okay. Suppose for example they ask directly this formula, then you should know that this formula is there, right? So like this, if you prepare, then definitely you will get the selection. And variety of questions we added into this PDF, okay. But try to solve, means whenever you are solving the questions, okay, understand and then solve. Just blindly don't solve, means if they ask force, just you will find force and your job is done. No, not like that. Understand what is happening here. Okay, what is they telling you? Suppose the body beat with mass M2 rest on a smooth table. Now what is the meaning of resting on a smooth table? Okay, so all these things you should connect, and with the help of videos and these notes, definitely you will get that understanding. And we are doing practice also in your batch. In these questions will be also there. So lots of practice we required. Okay, and that is also the dedicated practice. What I told you, that JEE questions will be also there to practice. So already in this PDF, whatever JEE questions are valid for you guys, okay, already added to this PDF. So no need to worry. Just whatever I am giving you, okay, just do that properly, and definitely you will be in top 100. Okay. Right, so I hope you got the things now, how you can score more marks in physics. Definitely our target will be this only, because we need to beat the 5 lakh candidate, okay, to be in top 100. And the most important thing, just prepare your mindset for more revision and practice. Lots of practice will require, because lots of formulas, lots of concepts are there in physics. Okay, you will study class 11, class 12 plus JEE level, so you can imagine what syllabus you have. Okay, I am not combining the non-technical one and mathematics till now. Okay, so lots of practice and revision is required. I will share what means proper timetable with you guys. Okay, what and when to do the things. All the things I will share in batch. No need to worry for that. What is your job? To see, to be consistent, to just stay on the path. Okay, for the next 3 months, just sacrifice all the things, and definitely with 12 lakh CTC you will enter in Airport Authority of India in 2022 only. Okay, definitely just trust me, because lots of result you can see. It is not like randomly I am getting the result, because we are doing the things. That's why I am getting the result. Okay, it's simple. Every action has a equal and opposite reaction, right? So just be with the channel, just be with the Telegram channel. Okay, definitely you will get all the things. Now first, your first job is to join our Apna Government Job Telegram channel to practice daily non-tech PDFs. Those who are already practicing the PDFs, great job, keep doing it. Okay, you are already ahead of all other. And now second job is to join our Airport Authority of India Telegram channel. Okay, and just wait for the next video, that is your preference strategy for mathematics. Then one by one I will cover. Then last video will be your timetable. Okay, then I will announce free master plan. What is the free master plan, what are the things are there, and your final success pack. Okay, and then we will start our preparation for this recruitment. Okay, if you have any single doubt, any single query, definitely you can share with me on comment section. I am available on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram, you can message me on Telegram, you can connect me on WhatsApp, everywhere I am. Okay, so just if you have any query, definitely feel free to connect to me, and just have patience, and with dedication definitely you will achieve the success. Okay, all the best.